Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're featuring a beautiful home with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,271 square feet of living space, priced at $535,000. Let me guide you on how to reach Angelo's newest listing from the Bellagio Fountains. Inside, this home offers a spacious first-floor primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a beautifully designed ensuite bathroom. The laundry room is also on the first floor for added convenience. Plus, there's another bedroom on this level with easy access to a full bathroom. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a large kitchen island for extra counter space. The pendant lighting above the island adds a stylish touch. The backyard is huge, fully fenced, and beautifully landscaped. With no immediate neighbor behind, this space offers privacy and security. The covered patio is perfect for outdoor entertainment. This home is in a prime location with plenty of nearby amenities, including schools: Vincent L. Triggs Elementary School, Anthony Seville Middle School, Shadow Ridge High School, grocery stores, Winco Foods, Smith's, Sprouts Farmers Market, Health and Fitness, Planet Fitness, EOS Fitness, Fortified Fitness Training, hospitals: ER at Valley Vista, ER at North Las Vegas, Dignity Health St. Rose Dominican Hospital, North Las Vegas, Nevada Campus, Pet Care, Alliant Animal Hospital. All about paws. This home is located in a gated community and comes with leased solar panels for energy efficiency. Plus, the furniture is available for purchase separately. For more details or to schedule a private tour, contact Angelo today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest home listings.